Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily connect your Riot Games account towards your Google account. Now, from there you can use both simultaneously. I'm going to show you step by step. Now, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser, head down to riotgames.com, go to the top right corner where my account appears and sign in. Now, from there you go to the settings, and inside the settings, we're inside the account management. Now, what we want to do, we want to scroll all the way down till we find the connected accounts, and inside of here you see already the Google icon pop up. Now simply press the plus icon. From there choose the account which you want to link. From there press continue, and from out here the Google sign in is already connected to another account. Now, and as you can see, it doesn't work for me because I've already done it to my main account, but from out here you can connect both, and that's about it. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It helps me a lot, and thanks for watching.